Right, we're doing this again because you know what? The first one wasn't energetic enough. So let's do this. Big news coming to you in 3, 2, 1, boom. What's up, advocates, and welcome back to another episode, a special episode of the Commercial Claims Show. Why is it special? Because let me introduce myself. My name is Vince Perriand, and I'm the owner, the president, and CEO of Elite Resolutions. Elite Resolutions? What is that? Well, if you've been watching some of my videos, I've been sort of like throwing it in there, here and there. And in the last video, we actually premiered the whole logo. How beautiful is that logo? I don't know if it's here or if it's here. How beautiful is that though? All right, let me explain to you so first of all, Elite Resolutions is my public adjusting firm. It's not Commercial Claims Advocate, that's separate. It's not education, it's not anything. Elite Resolutions is what it is, a public adjusting firm. What do we do as a public adjusting firm? We help people file their insurance claims. We make sure that we get them as much money as possible to make sure that they have the proper dollar amount to repair anything that needs to be repaired. Commercial and homeowners claims. And really, before we get into it even more, the reason why we're doing this video is because we're hiring. So if you're interested, continue, because I'm going to tell you what this company is all about. Now, we've only been around for about 4 months, okay? But in those 4 months, I've dedicated a lot of time towards our core values, towards our mission statement, towards our core focus, towards all of the things that we sort of represent already, that I sort of represent myself, that I want the company to represent as well. Let's see. So what I want to tell you is that, like I said, we are a public adjusting firm like any other public adjusting firm. The only difference, I think, is we are a family-based public adjusting firm. Another thing is that we're completely virtual, okay? Right now, we've got 2 adjusters. It's myself and 2 other adjusters in Miami. And what we're really looking for is an adjuster in Tampa. I need somebody else here right by my side. We're looking for any other adjusters that want to work here in Florida. Doesn't really matter where in Florida. And we're looking for 1 or 2 adjusters in Texas. Very important that we get 1 or 2 adjusters in Texas. And in the future, since I am licensed in California, we would like an adjuster in California. So we've got before I get into more, we've got a registration link below. Go ahead and register for it. It is going to be a little bit of a process. We are not just taking anybody. I get it, guys. It's a percentage base. So I've got nothing to lose, right? I can hire any adjuster. They're paid on a percentage. They're not paid salary anyway, because that's what it's going to be. It's going to be percentage base. So I could really hire anybody. It doesn't matter. It does matter. It does matter to me. With the social media presence that we've sort of grown here, I want to make sure that we hire the best public adjusters that we can, and the public adjusters that suit our company the best. One of those things is they got to suit our core values. Okay, it's taken me some time to come up with these, but we have strict core values. And these are core values that I want to make sure everybody in the company share. And also any other contractor that I do business with that is referring me claims and I'm referring them claims, I want them to share the same core values as well. And we've got a handful of contractors that we work with, and you could ask them. We talk to them about it all the time. And I tell them that, you know why I'm so excited to be working with you is because you share my core values. And when I tell them what my core values are, they get pretty excited. So what are our core values that I want to make sure, if you're interested in applying for this job, and you feel that one of these core values just doesn't really fit you, we don't want you. Just to be honest, why waste time, right? So one of the first things is family first. To me, family is the most important thing. Your personal family is the most important thing. If anything comes up in regards to your personal family, that's always going to trump whatever it is we're doing with work. Okay, for whatever reason, okay? That being said, we are also a family at Elite Resolutions. Already, it's 3 of us plus 2 adjusters, and I can guarantee you ask any of them, it's a family-based atmosphere that I want to create. That means we got each other's back. That means if somebody needs something, we'll do it for them. We're not going to charge extra. We're not going to ask them for a percentage of their claim. We're going to do it for them because we are a family. We're here to help each other. And the better we do in our family, in our work family, the better it's going to be for our personal family. Why? Because we'll make more money. I mean, let's face it. So the better we do for our work family, the better it's going to be for our personal family. Okay? So family first, no matter what. Next thing is accessibility, accountability. Have it as accessibility / accountability. Answer your phone, right? That's number one. I've said that. That's what Richard taught me when I was with Key Biscayne Claim Adjusters for 12 years or 11 years. You know, that's what he taught me, was always answer your phone. You get so much business done, and you could just get so much done just by answering your phone. And that goes for your clients, but that also most importantly goes for your work family. Make sure you answer your phone. If we need something from you, we need to get it. Okay, it's probably very important. If I'm calling you about something, it's probably something important. If Tammy, my assistant's calling you about something, it's probably important. Okay, so be accessible and be dependable or accountable. That leads me into execution. Execution is also very huge in this company. You need to execute. I can't explain to you how important that is. Everybody talks a big game, but they don't do nothing. In this company, you execute. And that's the way, in my opinion, with accessibility and dependability or accountability, and with execution, with just those two things alone, the sky is the limit for us. And trust me, we're looking at a very tall sky here. We have a strong feeling of where this could end up. Okay, so execute, 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 okay? Don't just call me about a claim and then do nothing about it. Let's go and get after it. The last thing is loyalty. Just making sure that, not loyalty like the mafia, loyalty just like that you believe in our purpose, that you believe in our core values, that you are proud of your company. I want you to be proud of Elite Resolutions, okay? I believe that we can create a work atmosphere that you're gonna be very proud of. And for that, I want you to be loyal so that when you're talking about our firm to someone else, you're not bashing it, you're talking good, positive about it. Okay, loyalty, very important to me. I was loyal for 12 years with a public adjusting firm when I thought I was gonna leave after 2, but because he and the company shared my inner core values, I didn't go anywhere. And you know, my percentage kept increasing like it will here. One thing, if we want to talk about percentages, I don't want to tell you any percentages, but I do promise you, and I will tell you that it is a very competitive percentage. It is percentage only for the public adjusters. We are looking for maybe some desk adjusters, or we're looking maybe for administrative desk adjuster. So hopefully you're still watching the video. But that we're not, maybe one person for that. We're not really sure, maybe one, maybe two. It really depends on how many good public adjusters we're able to find. But what was I gonna say? So I forgot what I was gonna say. Anyway, so core focus, okay? So those are our core values, our core focus. Our purpose is people. I do not want people here just looking to make a ton of money as a public adjuster. Stupid, right? I mean, you're gonna be working for me. Every claim that you get, I will be getting a percentage of. So you would think I want you to be all about the money, right? That's just not me. It's just not the way I am. Ask anybody in my family and ask anybody that knows me. That's not what I'm about. I do believe that if you've got a good purpose though, if you've got a good foundation, then you will make the money eventually. And our purpose at Elite Resolutions is people. It's all about the people. And who are those people? Well, your family here, but the policyholder. Whether that be a commercial claim, an association, or a homeowner, that person is the most important person on that claim, and we need to do whatever we can to help them out. If that is your main goal, then I promise you, not only are you going to be very successful, but you're going to make a lot of money. So if you're here just because you want to make money, think about it. If that's your sole purpose, do not apply. I want you to be about the people, because that's what we are about. Let's see, besides that, I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty excited. I just want to tell you guys that. I mean, really, I was working with Key Biscayne Claim Adjusters for 10 or 11 years. And, you know, now we've decided I'm ready to go. I mean, I've been ready, but now it's just, we're taking it to a whole other level. And I would really like to grow this public adjusting firm. I really want to take it to the next level. It's going to be strictly virtual also. So we don't have an office, okay? We don't have an actual physical office. We have a physical address where all of the mail goes, but everybody will be working virtually, basically out of your own home. So if that's not something that you want to do either, think about that also. If you want to have a place or an office that you go to, then this company is not for you. If you don't mind working from home, working your own hours and doing sort of your own thing, then this is for you. Especially for the administrative role. If we have somebody else interested in the administrative role that we like, that we may want to bring on, understand that you will be working from home. So you have to like this. I know there's a lot of people that either like an office just to have an office, or they have kids in the home and they want to get out of the house. This is not for you. My vision for this is really always being virtual. So, you know, we use Trello for all of our claims, and we use Google Drive G Suite, which is like basically a complete virtual online platform for a virtual office. So if that's not for you, please just, you know, don't apply. That's all. I want you guys to make sure. You know, I don't know what else I wanted to say, except for the fact that I'm just trying to see, because I just have some stuff that I wrote down. One of the things that we're going to do, so the way that you apply is click on the link below and fill out the registration or the application. Okay, we want to get some information. I'd like to see a resume also. So if you have one, I want to see that as well. And then the last thing is we are going to give you an assessment. It's called a culture index. If you want to go ahead and Google it, look at it before you do it. You will be required to take a culture index. And based on that assessment, it's not pass or fail. It's just going to tell me if you are really suited the best possible, if you've got the best possible character strengths when it comes to being a public adjuster. Some of the strengths that I think are very important. You need to be very autonomous, go out there and get it. Are you going to be that? We are going to be giving you claims. Thankfully, the Commercial Claims Advocate has brought us a little bit of notoriety, and we do get claims coming in. But I'm going to say, just to be safe, the majority of your claims, you are going to have to go out there and get it. If you become that adjuster here in the Tampa area, I do have a couple of good referral sources here that I will be giving you a lot of those claims. But again, this is why also what we're going to be providing is training, okay? Intense training. Not intense, but just training. You're going to get, I don't have the book with me here. Oh, I have it right over there. You're going to be getting a copy of my book, okay? Not only a copy of the book, you're going to be able to take the course for free, because you're going to be working for me anyway. So once you do get hired, you will be able to take our course. And after you get the book, after you take our course, we have weekly meetings that we're going to be holding each other accountable, okay? We call these the level 10 meetings. We want to make sure it's a perfect 10. You're even going to be rating the meeting at the end of it. By the way, that's from Traction, a book called Traction. We're going to have, actually it's from another book that I can't remember right now, Rocket Fuel. We're going to be having these meetings every single week to make sure that you're hitting your goals, to make sure that we're holding each other accountable, to make sure that you're going out there and getting after it. Again, it's a virtual company, but we're going to be meeting all the time, okay? Every week, no matter what. And one week we'll be meeting twice in 1 week, because we'll be having the entire organization, administration and marketing. Everyone will be on that meeting together. Family atmosphere, guys. It's all about just being there for one another. And I'm going to train you guys of everything that I know. We've got a system already in place. We've got SOPs. I'm talking like we've got a good 50 pages of SOPs and videos that we're still working on, that we're getting better. They're not finalized yet, but you're going to be getting those SOPs as a PA, and it's going to explain to you exactly the process that you need to go through, from phone call to signing the claim to going to your first inspection, step by step, what to look for, what not to look for. So this is, I think, a great opportunity for anybody who's interested, as long as you are with our core values. If you're an apprentice, okay, or if you're looking for an apprenticeship, please, by all means, apply. But it's going to be a little bit more difficult because we only have so many apprentice spots available, especially with just 2 other adjusters right now. If you're already a licensed adjuster, if you've already completed your apprenticeship and you have your 320 license here in Florida, then you shouldn't have a problem. We just need to make sure that you fit in with our values and with our purpose and sort of with what we're doing. So if you are already a licensed adjuster, it's going to be a lot easier for you. If you're an apprentice, please, by all means, still apply and still go to the interview, and we'll see if you are a good fit. We'll try to find a way to come in. So that's it, guys. What we're looking for is adjusters in Florida, and we're looking for 1 or 2 adjusters in Texas. Honestly, I'm thinking about 5 maximum. 5 new adjusters is really what I'm looking at. That's just because it's a nice high number. But that's really all. I don't want any more than that. We would be overloaded. We are a small company that we are growing, so I don't want to grow too fast too soon. I'm very excited. The last thing is that if you do get the job, you do have a 3-month sort of like period of testing the waters to see if you're going to be a good fit. But whatever, that's besides the point. But this is the truth. So we're excited. Oh, I forgot. One more thing. We got core values. We've got, all this stuff. If you already have a full-time job, please do not apply. Okay? If you have a part-time job, that's okay. Or if you have no job, even better. Okay, I understand that it takes time to make money in this business, but at the end of the day, I want people who are going to be dedicated to this. I don't want people who already have a full-time job making a nice salary. Unless you could confirm to me that it's a part-time job, then that's the only way. So part-time jobs, if you already have one, that's okay. You could apply. If you have a full-time job, please do not apply. And that's very simple as that. So that's it, guys. I really got nothing else. That's all I wanted to say. I'm very, very excited. We don't even have a website yet, so that's still coming up. But I did want to get this process rolling. So please fill out any of the applications. Fill it out. We'll see. We'll start this process. We'll see how this goes, and we'll see if we could get these 5 adjusters within the next couple of months here and really get rolling. I'm pretty excited. I think it's going to be very successful with what we're building from the inside out. A core value. We're really building this thing from the inside out. We do have a 3-year vision and a 10-year vision of this business that is going to be very profitable for everybody. So come on down, come on board the Elite Resolutions train. Most of you didn't even know we were a public adjusting firm. We just thought we were just educational stuff, but yes, we are actually public adjusters here. So come on, apply. We're very excited to be hiring, and hopefully you can become part of this special team. It's special for me, all right? And it's like I said, it's not just a team, it's a family. So come on, join our family, and let's take this thing to another level. All right, that's it, guys. From the bottom of my heart, thank you very much. We'll see you later. Goodbye. Whew.